Hello everybody, I'm Frank Valdes and this is
Jennifer Hill.
And welcome to Social Impact Advocacy, a 1L elective law practice course being offered this spring semester. So, have you ever noticed how every time you turn on the TV or connect to the news, everything seems to boil down to being a systemic problem? Mass incarceration, marriage equality, immigration reform, you name it. Every bottom line boils down to systemic problem, systemic injustice, and systemic reform. Well, it's actually not new. For decades now, people have been working on how to understand the workings of systems and how to apply law and legal training to systemic problem solving. If you're interested in that, this course is for you. We focus on 3 stages of practice. First, research, second, analysis, third, advocacy, and throughout, we emphasize hands-on problem solving, and my co-teacher Jennifer Hill is going to tell you a little bit more about that.
So we are approaching this class as sort of a living laboratory in which you will learn the theory but connect it to the practice and also reflect on how doing this kind of social justice advocacy is challenging to you and to your approach to work and professionalism as a lawyer. One of the things that we will do is have traditional readings, but also viewings, but we'll connect those in-class discussions and materials to looking at what's happening in Miami now. This is a really vibrant community that has extremes of injustice and pervasive injustice, but also tremendous examples of social justice advocacy. So you'll be given research problems that are community-based. You'll learn a little bit about the broad array of groups that are engaged in social justice advocacy in South Florida, and you'll have a chance to test out your skills as you do research assignments as well as analytical assignments and some practice advocacy assignments. And those are the kinds of assignments you'll do and the kind of evaluation we'll make will have to do with how well you're connecting the concepts and the knowledge base that Frank talked about to the actual examples of justice and injustice in the world. You will be assigned to a team and work throughout the semester as part of a team, but the final evaluation will be based on individual performance in 3 different ways. One is we'll have weekly short assignments and discussions, and that's one part of the evaluation. Another is in-class participation, and then the final group presentation will include an individual evaluation of your contribution to the team and the presentation that addresses a social problem and proposes a way to use social impact advocacy to make systemic change.
So whether it's the kind of issue I named at the beginning or something that matters more to you, if you're interested in systemic analysis and social justice problem solving, take this course. It's the foundational course for the new social justice concentration. Follow-up courses will be offered during the next couple of years that you're here, and this is just the first step, whether it's on your own personal life journey to understanding your own life and your own society better, or to becoming a more effective advocate for social change.